Hi guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to repost friend stories to appear on our Instagram account. So for example, your friends tag you in their story and you want to repost it and to appear in your Instagram story account. What you need to do is find the notification. Just click on the love option to find the activity, or you can also slide into your DM right here and find the your story that your friends mentioned you. For example, this one, you'll find the add to your story option be at the bottom of your friend's story, and if you want to repost it, just click on the tags and you'll be directed at the story page right here, story update. You can make some adjustment like this, add some effect, or you can just adjust the size like this. And when you're done, you can just click on your story right here. Okay, you can just go back to your home page in Instagram, and then you'll find the your friend story has been reposted in your Instagram account. Okay, so that's it from me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you guys.